All right, guys, this is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and we're going to be looking at this property. Those of you who know us know that we do not like wholesaling. We pretty much are buying whole type of people. We like to buy and hold and rent our properties out. But this particular property was presented to us by another mobile home park manager, and she wanted $28,000 for this particular mobile home. We decided against it, guys, because this mobile home was actually in the middle of nowhere. We really liked the fact that the mobile home's lot rent was only $350. However, um, the rent in that particular area, on the high end, all you can get is $900. So there was not a lot of leeway where we as the investor can recoup our money back in a 36-month time frame if we spent $28,000 for this particular mobile home. Very nice mobile home. So what we decided to do is we talked to the park manager, and we decided that, if she was okay with it, that we would wholesale this particular mobile home. We wound up wholesaling this mobile home. The park owner was okay with it. He got $28,000. That's what he was looking for this particular mobile home. And we sold this mobile home for $33,000. And the homeowner is actually seller financing this particular property out. So they had to come to the table with $5,000 cash, and the $5,000 cash was given to me and my brother. My brother and I actually gave $1,000 to the mobile home park manager, and now they are on notes with the mobile home park owner. Right out the gate, the mobile home park owner did not get any money from this deal. What they will be getting is lot rent, and they don't have to worry about not having any revenue coming in for this particular mobile home, and they were okay with that. It came with a stove and a refrigerator and a dishwasher. The mobile home park actually rehabbed this mobile home. This mobile home had been on the market for several months, so it's in a very small community, and it had been on the market for several months. Me and my brother put the pedal to the metal, and we actually sold this mobile home in 20 days. Due to the fact that the mobile home was in the middle of nowhere, it was a lot of wear and tear on our vehicle, and this is another reason why we didn't want to buy the mobile home, because we like our mobile homes to be roughly within a 90-mile radius of where we live. And this mobile home was way out in the middle of nowhere. This is the reason why we decided against it. As you can see, it's freshly painted, newly remodeled, nice little walk-in closet. The flooring is nice, nice little molding on around the floor. Very nice mobile home. And the owners of this mobile home, who are seller financing this property out, they are on a 8-year note. The interest rate was 12%, and like I said, they bought the mobile home for $28,000 with $5,000 down. So I will let you guys do the math on that. So it's an older model mobile home, built in 1987, I believe, 1987. It did not come with a washer and dryer, but as you can see, the deck is fairly nice. All right. Join me at Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing course, and I will show you how to wholesale and rent out mobile homes.